Shia is one of the branches of Islam. Shiites have places of worship called Imamzadeh. These places are the burial places of people whose lineage goes back to one of the 12 Shiite Imams, and Shiites believe that they are special people who, if you talk to them and ask them to solve your problems, will be able to do so. For this reason, their graves have been turned into places of worship and pilgrimage. Someone who have a wish come there and asks the spirit of that person to mediate so that they can achieve their wish. Imamzadeh Saleh is located in the north of Tehran, next to the old Tajrish market. The building of Imamzadeh built about 200 years old, and the interior architecture is very beautiful and unique. There is also an 800-year-old plane tree in the Imamzadeh area. The architecture of the walls has a very special shape, and you cannot see like it in the world. There is an intelligent architecture in it that has given it great splendor.
والمنكر